Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a midweek haul. We got a little bit of Walgreens and a little bit of Walmart. So any store with a W except for Wegmans. Why did I just think of Wegmans? Okay, let's get straight to this video. I know a lot of parents out there really want to know what's the deal with the loves? So let's dive right to Walmart. Okay, so this specific bag of diapers, look high and low in the store. It is the 31 count size 2. This specific one, and I'll show you the UPC. It's on clearance for $1, which is a really weird price point. I did find a couple. I am going to a baby shower, so Aunt Rach is really stocking up those diapers. So you go to the site brickseek.com, type in this UPC, really big long number with your zip code, and you'll see, does your Walmart have it, yes or no? Hopefully they do. I know a lot of Walmarts, for whatever reason, this is some sort of hidden clearance for $1. Let you guys know the Walmart app is not working because I did scan it in store and it was like $6.97, but at the till it's ringing up for $1. So what I did was I grabbed a bag of those, went to the electronics section, and there were some employees. I said, hey, could you tell me what the price of this is? And a lady scanned it for me. No problems, no issues. They also removed all the price scanners in this store. So you physically have to go to an employee and harass them because the app just isn't working and I can't seem to get it to work. And I don't want to have to pay for that Walmart Plus membership. But I got the bags for $1 a piece. And then I also got this really cute pop socket. Like I told you, I was walking through the tech area. So this guy was $9.97. It's just a piece of plastic, but $2.49, so 75% off. I think it's super uber cute. I wish I could have had a YouTube one because I'd rather have it than a TikTok one, but hey, whatever. $2.49. It came home with me. Also, if you want to look this up on BrickSeek, I know it's been on clearance for a little bit. So here is the UPC if you want to go to that same site and then just type this in and see if your store might have it. There was a lot of like cool tech stuff, really, really cheap. So you might want to look around that section. You might score big. Okay, so on Sunday I was like, register rewards are not printing, beware. Hey, guess what? We got a whole bunch printing, and this is $20 of register rewards for one deal, which I'm going to share with you, and it is really amazing. So I do want to thank Raina, and this is her Instagram name. I think she also has a YouTube and a TikTok. Very fantastic Walgreens shopper, but this is her deal, so tip of the hat to her. Thank you for this deal. Up 3 of the Pantene, it's like a conditioner, and they are $4 a pop, so that is $12. And then 2 of the $4 toothpaste. So it is like double, triple dipping where you're getting $20 of register rewards for the purchase of this. So it's just absolutely phenomenal. And how she described it, I had to use paper coupons, but we'll talk about it 2 different ways. So that one in the center, that conditioner for $4, it's a really great conditioner if you've ever tried it. So I have no problem paying $4 for that. So I grabbed 3 of those. I know a lot of you love to read the tag, so here it is. And then $5 reward when you buy 3. So how lovely is that? And then 2 of the Crest Arctic Wet or Deep Clean toothpaste. And I'm always like, I'm never buying toothpaste. And look what I did. So again, caught lying on my YouTube page. So 2 of those for $8. So the sum of the conditioners in that is $20. Here's the tag for the toothpaste. And if you can't track down this specific toothpaste, you might have to turn the box to see that you're grabbing the same one as I. You can also grab the Burt's Bees, the children's one, which is at the same price, I believe. These are the coupons that I used from the August P&G. A 3 off of 3 for the Pantene, and then a $2 off for both of the toothpastes. Now, digitally, we have the 3 off of 3 and one $2 coupon, so it would be a $5 moneymaker, not a $7 moneymaker if you want to go that way. The receipt, I have $12 on the nose of those beautiful conditioners by Pantene, and then 2 toothpastes for $8. So that right there is $20 in merch, and I handed over my coupons. So the 3 off of 3 for the Pantene and the $2 off for each of those Crests. Now, alternatively, if you only have digital coupons, they just were not working with this deal on Sunday. So that's why I opted for paper. I usually don't, but that's why, just to explain that. So, okay, It's $13 for me, and I paid it with my debit card because it's spend 20, get back 5 for one of the offers. If you do not have that second $2 coupon, it'll be $15 for you, and you'll have to pay with your debit card because it's spend 20, get back 5. To show you a little closer photo of these register rewards, so two $5 manufacturer register rewards. This isn't store coupons, so we are cooking with gas for that. So that's $10 back right there. Plus, we have a $5 off Png products, and then $5 off for being a loyal shopper. So, like, really amazing deal. And I'm going to show you that top one to use it in a deal just to flip it right away. So this week we have a little promotion with certain Png laundry products. So the Tide Simply Pods, the Downy, the Bounce, and then there's an Unstoppable, like a teeny tiny one. They are 4 for $9. Now, I don't want to pay that. So last week we did a lot of Dove deals with that $4 store coupon. And then that bottom one, which is $5 off of any Png product. That's $9 of paper right there, guys. Boom. So I grabbed 4 of these Downies because they are super uber cute. And yeah, it's only a 40 load, but like how much are you going to actually use in your laundry? Because people are always like, they're so small, but you know, they help in a pinch, even the tiny ones. So I grabbed 4 of those. I got dryer sheets a couple days back too. So I'm really trying to stock up on various laundry products. Now, just to show you the receipt, just to show you that, hey, this actually works. 4 of those fabric softeners for $9, subtracting that $4 store register reward and that $5 Png coupon, I paid tax. Now, the last product I want to talk about, a couple days back, I did a curbside pickup deal. These are 2 for $8 in-store and curbside. And the digital coupon that we got 2 weeks ago, it wouldn't work for me in store, but it's working as a curbside. So I don't know what to tell you guys. If you have it, you could use it. If you can't add it to a basket, your store's probably out of this product because it's such a hot deal. But if you do have it and it's not attaching to you, just buy it, pay the $8, call customer service, and they'll have to give you that $7 back. And they'll have to honor it if it's on your account. In store too, this is also 2 for $8, which is a really, really fantastic price point. I would pick this up because when you're paying 50 cents for this shampoo, it's really fantastic. And this is the coupon in question. It's a 7 off 2. I grabbed 2 same shampoos as a curbside pickup, and it worked perfectly for me. If you were going to do this in store, if you want to grab 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners, maybe that would be an easy way to get it to work. Failing that, call customer service and they'll have to honor that $7, and that's a painless little thing to do. And here is my receipt. We have a curbside pickup. I placed this on Monday, August the 1st, and my 7 off came off, no problems, no issues. I paid $1 for this. I had an extra item for $2 to get the basket right to 10, but they didn't have it in stock. So all I did was pay that $1.48 for the 2 shampoos, and I am like okay with that. And I got the Dove breakage therapy, that one, if you want to try with the same one. I know my friend Graceful Deals was also having the same issue. So just to let you know, like, in case you're having problems, you can always call customer service for that missing 7. If you used that digital coupon, though, the week previous, it's only of a one-time use. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!